Hi, I'm Luann Hammond, drivingthenation.com. I am here with Tim Layzell. He has done the poster and the program for this Concours Retroauto. And we are sort of in the midst of artists right now. Have a live drawing going on right now of the 1935 Mercedes-Benz 540K. And Tim, tell me sort of what you thought about while you were doing this poster, because it's really quite an honor and prestige to be able to be the poster for Concours Retroauto.
Sure, okay, so I've been the poster artist for Retroauto part at Pebble Beach for about 10 years, but this is the first poster I've done for the Concours. A great choice of car, really interesting colours, Gurney nutting Rolls-Royce, and I really wanted to get a sort of feel for the era, so I've sort of had quite a big sky, looked at sort of the deco proportions and things like that, and used the trees kind of thing. I always think this part of the lawn is quite fantastic because the
we
trees
are
and
right
the
on
light.
the 18th
Yeah, exactly,
green.
right up by
Yeah.
the lodge. Yeah, it's fantastic. I think that gives the
You've
feel
got
for the
the
Concours.
ocean in the back. I mean,
Yeah.
it's the spectacular day that really the Concours is almost every year.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. And hopefully it captures the feeling of being here.
So how many people actually submitted ideas for the poster?
So just myself, so they will ask me to paint it. I think I exhibited, I'm sort of well known in the UK. I go to Goodwood, Revival, and a couple of other meets there, and then including and then Paris and things like that for Retromobile. They approached me to paint the other painting, and then over the years we've built up a relationship, and they've asked me to paint this one this year.
So people don't submit ideas and then they pick them up. They actually just
they approach you as a commission in that sense, yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
what an honor.
Yes, it is, fantastic.
Yes, and so art in at Pebble Beach is becoming more and more part of the Concours every year.
Yeah, exactly. And it's expanded beyond that. I mean, we have paintings and other art stuff paintings up at Spanish Bay, and it's sort of spreading out. You've got the AFAS 10 here. Obviously, there's 3 posters every year. And people collect the posters. You know, we have people that come back to get one every year. I sign them up to people and dedicate them to people. So it's really nice, and it's a good memory of their experience.
It truly is. And thank you for signing mine.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tim.
Thank you.